Monkey and snake, 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 monkey and snake are friends. Alright now, monkey. This is the episode where you pronounce your true feelings for your dear friend Snake. Okay? Quiet on the set. We're rolling in 3, 2, 1. It's beautiful. It's simply beautiful. Okay. Snake, love what you did there. Love it. Alright? Nothing bad for you. Nothing. I have no hate against you. Monkey, no hate against you either. I love what you did there. Just keep being you. That's what it takes to be you, is you. Now, Imp. What the hell was that? You're not supposed to be on the set. Seriously. No. Don't take that tone of voice with me. Don't. No. No. Off the set. Off the freaking set. Okay. We good? We good? Okay. Rolling again in 3, 2, 1. Okay, Imp, what the hell?